I'm going to show you how to export Telegram chat history on your phone. Now let's get started. Now you're going to open your Telegram. Open your Telegram. Now you click on the chat you want to export. Now guys, click on this three dots line. So guys, if you look at these spaces now, if you look at this option now, there's no way we can export our chat here. So that means Telegram has not made an option for us that we'll be able to export our chat on our Android. So if you wanted and you want to export your chat on your Telegram, the only way you can do it, you can export the chat through your computer, which is your PC. So you'll be able to see the option of export on your PC. So guys, if you have any comment, drop it there. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.